morning everyone. So, welcome. Let's see what's a great job we are busy with in these days. Yeah, here's a Leo Bakerland to get the best way for us to die soon. I'll just take this slide later. Yummy but clean. Yeah, you eat different kinds of food which are packed in different kinds of materials, majorly in plastic. So those plastics will be dumped in seas, oceans, and by some other means where fishes even think that they're so yummy and eat those. So, it is all about treacherous, affordable adulterated of the world. I am Sheetal, today before you, just give some information about plastic. Welcome to the 21st century where many changes are taking place in this plastic world. So, this is polyoxyzibenzyle methylenzyl polyamide, such a huge name which consists of polyethylene, polystyrene, polypropylene, PVC, BPA and many more, which are the best cancer-causing agents for our body. So, these are some monomers of the plastics, that is BPA, BPDS, methyl mercury, and these plastics will be dumped in earth, which gases concept for us are also some means useful for earth to get cancer. Like we'll get cancer by these plastics. If we dump these plastics in the earth, so earth fertility and atmosphere will be lost, and even earth will get cancer by some other means. So how we are eating the plastic directly or indirectly? We are eating plastic daily, unknowingly, like in tiffin boxes, water bottles, and many more things. Even the plastic is mixed with our clothes, things and daily uses. We dump the plastics in ocean and the fishes eat those. So what goes in ocean goes into us also. Fishes eat those and we eat fishes. So we are killing ourselves unknowingly by these plastics. So now the present generation is full of plastic where the earth is eaten by plastic. So this is some statistics that where we all use plastic in our daily lives. Chips and confectionery bags, bottles, these are the major things where we are using plastic. So we should avoid this by using canvas bags and other types of bags. BPA and other harmful plastics. This is the monomers which are affecting us. These monomers will store in our adipose tissue. They are attracted towards fat and they will store in our adipose tissue wherein they causes cancer, skin cancer, liver cancer and many more. So this is a screenshot from Tupperware web where Tupperware says that we are not using many of the things, but these are all the agents which cause cancer for our body. So they said that high density polythene doesn't cause cancer, but that is a major thing which causes liver cancer where we can die soon. A person who lives for 60 years can just live for only 40 years by using this kind of plastics. So I want to know, friends, who are using Tupperware bottles over here? Yeah, please stop it because you'll die soon, ma'am. Yeah, you'll get heart disease, diabetes, cancers, thyroid and many more things. So swelling lungs is a major problem where you lose your life and you can't talk anymore. So, are you all happy by getting these such diseases? The solution is using copper, steel, aluminium and mainly our old people say that use these things. But we prefer the plastics because they are colorful and made of different kind of materials. But we don't know the scientific reason why do you say that. Because these things doesn't cause cancer and they are helpful to our body. Silver and steel, these are very good things where we can just come across the best ways to prevent this from plastic, prevent cancer from plastic. So using glasses, PCL, styrenes is much better using the Tupperwares. We should use biodegradable plastic which is eco-friendly for us and for us earth also. These plastic will degrade in just 3 years completely when microorganisms are eating these things. So nowadays, not in India, in some other countries, they are using these kind of plastics wherein they use for packing foods and even for other things. This plastic degrades completely and it doesn't release any monooxides and doesn't cause any harm for earth. So, if you want to live on earth for many days, you should leave the plastic. This is an incident which took place in my home when I just gave some information for my mom and my dad that these are the main things which are caused by plastic. They just changed to all the steel boxes and other things also. They just left the plastic. Only some major things are used in plastic, like pens, etc. you can use, but that should be reusable. That should not be use and throw, where you can use plastic for most time and you can degrade it and you can pollute less. So this reusable plastic, we should use canvas bags because we can't cut trees for using paper bags. So plastic is not at all good for Earth. And then, this is an article in the Times of India paper last Sunday where they gave some tips how we can reduce plastic. Yeah, by eating ice creams in tubs, the tub cones, you can use in the cones where you can eat the cone also. So the tub will not be left out for the degradation. So the main thing is reuse, recycle and reduce plastic. We can't reduce suddenly. We can't just say everyone leave plastic because it is easily affordable. That's why I took the name as affordable adulthood. So we should recycle means you reuse the same thing and recycle and use the things which are recyclable. Like polystyrenes and polyethylenes are recyclable and they can be used for other types of plastics also. So finally, if you care about your lives, you should leave plastic and use other materials which are helpful to Earth actually. So save our Earth for your future birth. If you want your future generation to be good and the Earth to be clean, you should use plastic. Sorry, you should not use plastic. So these are the lecturers and some other guiders who helped me for this presentation. Thank you all.